ngin non kat bat phi kun mau ba kari khasi jantia ni don tang kari ngim don pat na kawai kari la dang la do noi ka bor sensar sai ngin lai ko ki parari sai ngin lai dai na ka dau ni khot yower ya phi ki pai ba phinyami ranti ban puni ki ji tali khnang ba kene ki priu ki banabar kinom not panle don bor hagade kari ke bai ke jongi dai na ka dau ni khot yower ka thrai kanom kut tang mandagasi kabanginalum hangna po madan wat pran nang ne sakmat lada kita ginon tribal kinangut susu bat penibor nginami do hajar na gilakngut nginami pikone patba baginami bane krisyan ya ki parlok ki jongi nang tena po rilum garo pikone kubai sibun ya ki gloi jo piki patba bane age ki krisyan ya ki parado persnam ki jongi kebadai ki basa apo kari Meghalaya ke jongi, kumbang ang anong kan sibun ki kantin na kinagapor, ngay scam nang nay sakmat, ngina penjur susu, ya kan ki jingeki, lada kita kinon tribal, nani kita ki poywir poyhap, kina ne don bor beang, hari kari kabai ke jongi, tekin kapor shoa bangan song, kublai sibun saisen, kublai udon angkat bat ngi way payway kinagapor, unai kam sim kabai senrang, banikun, naman lagi dauba dausan, jong kari bat kajat benriu, kublai sibun metala.
Bakindon hangti porilum garo panyal fight baki illegal alien sanai kidan hangni ai khumle na joki ton pula ji thapti parari parakhyar paramer kendriam benar ubhoy ulangam umaram baruar udai upat hanyau trap ngane upat khasi bayar Ublay ng bunang tao, ubo yang kilay tili. Hang ni hapo setiap Meghalaya, khasi jantia, badu garu. Ngajuang haki parlok, baka Meghalaya, kadai kaying jong lay tili ki kamera. Kawai ka kamera, kalasya ahyar tuma, kawai ka kamera. Kelayakun persya yaki illegal aliens baladondro kajing yasho yang mensau baladondro kajing tang habalatang yakawe ke kamera hato artli ki kamera pinang mut kinong plo dayam kawe ke kamera hari lom kero kaplo namar kajing don jong kita ki illegal aliens kibatmu pandai donbor ya ki parlok garo hangdai hapo garo hills dena kita kadau bun sien kiong balai perlong cilang hangne po motran balai perlong cilang po khasil here pini masudhu ya ka Meghalaya ala perlong na kini kilai tli ki kamera jong kawe gayeng hakawe gayeng dalai tli kamera kawe ka kamera amta kala kemding ngiha palong husyar khasi bajantia ngilai balong husyar dai tadau ngikot ya kani ka meeting ba phi pens ngau tho kumno baniakon ya kita ki illegal immigration lene ki illegal aliens kelam bangnom shipping por ngidai ka chat penriu ka batep yong nong bu nong thau shwa ban sang ni jilang bumda ngaso ba ban khot yowei na kirang ba no ilam jogai choisi ubade presiden por rambrai uba trowel lingdo soba bon wachikmat banbo hagajing duai ba ublai trakan rari ulok rikat ban kajat benriu khasi jantia garo kabalo bo kerpang lene ka Meghalaya gejongi le no mardor ya ke eviction lene wanra no mardor ya ketaka amendment hapo ka sectional wanra no ya ka LP hapo ka state khnang ba mangi khasi ban jantia garo nginyo ban sok skan hagatagari kabau nombo nong tau lambaki ancestor jungi kilabu hangne porilom khasi jantia ban garo kumlai shibun masa samburbi ya kijingran jongpi menta ngin khotma yai wi nong kran ibenai po rilom garo masa dewet CH marang
hold back hold back I'll tell you why the reason is and what is the reason is. Deva but I'll speak in Garo. Later on, I'll speak a little bit in English. Anjingni dongada nungai benang, ya silongo dongeng keparang. Aru kepen biapuni riba kepa sekarang ba khasi aru rencerang jerangan anjingko tak cak pana kusung be keparang anjingni dukni salo anjingni chiko arpak tuna ridiung keparang wa. Dalo anjinga cikasong mayungi ngacem basakunyung bacem maini kemenungi ngacem ya ko anjing sakantian anjing이 죄송어 위릭나나 마장금은 소모요 매번 마시기 전에 하셀 바 심삭기 전에 하셀 안칭이 District Council Autonomous District Garo Hills Autonomous District Council the Punjab ko asungnaw naha andiba makamchi yako untaijawa aru chingara ken kamkaya ansing gemekan sakgemaku maninga dalo mayungachim ana sunong akamjan mana mijalo aru mijali salsao turau mayunga hachim blongen dukni kataunga andiwa anchumba amgiza de lumjawa aselar mayana chinga aditya bulshirangonin Yako District Council of the Punjab economical condition of the Garos in our own way, for which purpose the Sikh schedule has been given to us. Yana kabarumuna supa. Mijalo plan belto mayong yok. Tik se Muslim rang ribai runga ba gamakon sodo. Mandaba sakani yang apa? Nak pilihan siapa sekarang kita
Gotrai ngada dua ikmat jong me gotrai don nam kat kamtam Sharman obadi nong penyaj ya kene gejeng yalang gotrai don nam kat kamtam ya kene yalam ne kisang beper gotrai ha ka bangi wan ha kene ka lumpong ka mamta gotrai ngidon gejeng kit ka crown am ka ribet ka jaj benreu gotrai to don nam kat iwei nong kren ha kene ka por bat kamtam yang ikipaj ba ke ban ngap ia kene ke por ke bemta gotrai ha ka bangin long hisha ke tak spai ke ban yada ke jong gari ke jong gotrai oi ke mangiyo I hanti ha po garohil gotrai ke no ke men sem ke bakor kamtam ikipaj garo ke badon hangte garohil gotrai ke le kendo ke jing sya pendek ha ke bomde ki trajaka bat ke trajala gotrai trai don lam
council they have failed to protect the Garo community through one act. Garo Hills, Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills, we need a very clear protection by law. And just to elaborate, Taman Panchayat Indian, the Constitution of District Council Rule 1951, Lanang ikwa paniyada ya ka Jaintia ya ka Khasi wa ya ka Garo na ka Jingsha tukrar jogi kibamde girulum ha ngia po District Council ngi ha ban penkala ya ka ieid rule ka basis pa arbo pra sok para 1 ba sok para 3 bat kadai ka kam ka basuk na ka basuk tang badle ya ka menglakren na ka por sa kapor. It is high time that all the 3 District Council will bring amendment to the 128 ieid rule sub para 1 and sub para 3. And if this is done, I guarantee you, nobody can put a finger or try to encroach into the District Council. So therefore, today, let it be the day that as a community, we demand from the state government, especially from the District Council, to bring immediate amendment to the 128 ieid rule and to bring a special protection to the walls of the 3 District Council. Nagalang ko jongi ay kublay, ya ka komso, kabla bo ini ka cilang namar kung ka chat penreu, hapan bo ka cilang namar ting ting, niya pun kam na ka jong. Nakajong ka cinge ngepet, niya klat no pada ya ka cinge jong ka community. Ya cakap aku juga cai pedreng ya pun serut. Nakadamo ay kublay kerbang ya kamso. Kablakot ya kena kejelang tenang ma mangi wei wei wei. Ini kindip penriu.
Land or the Garo Hills belongs to them. Mr. Sofio Rahman, I've seen your text, I've seen your message claiming that Pulbari, Rajabala, Chibinang belongs to the Bengal. If you dare, come out of hiding. We will show you who is the owner of the Aceh land. Sofio Rahman, we have seen your face. We know who you are. You cannot hide forever. The Aceh people will find you. And if you dare to come to Shillong, the Hinyotra people also will find you. We have seen your statement, intimidating the indigenous people of Meghalaya. Just remember that the Aceh and the Hinyotra are the owners of Meghalaya, not some Bangladeshi, not some Pakistani. You go and shout Allahu Akbar to Bangladesh, we have no problem. But don't come and shout Allahu Akbar in Meghalaya. This is not your land. No Allahu Akbar in Meghalaya, brother. This is our land. And if you want to fight, come out of hiding and fight us in light, not hiding, not at night. Come out and fight. You attack the poor people, you attack those weak people in Chibinang, the Agaro brothers and sisters, because they are minority in numbers. If you want to show power, come to Tura, let us fight. Come out of the plain belt. Fix a day, fix the time, the Hinyotra and the Aceh will be there. Let's see who wins. These Bangladeshis, they came as labor, they came as tenant, they used the...
Bakun sebom, nyangu yo play nong bunong tau pladon ringkat, absyo sabro, kublay sibun ya baro, kibedon nak digopor, ngini syak sipur, ngini namtak digopor, kabomenta. We thank each one of you who are here, especially our Aceh brothers and sisters from Khasi zone. We want to give one message to you. This gathering today, in this momentous occasion,